This is the second videos on application of this formula. In first videos you understand what is this formula is saying, but in the second video we use a practical application of these two words and formula. Friends, first of all you differentiate what is FTY first pass, so FPY first pass yield and FTY. So these two terms are basic difference is that first time yield and first pass yield. Friends, FPY don't have any reworked or repair part. It don't consider any repair or reworked part, while FTY is consider reworked and repair parts. Okay, so basic difference between them. FPY is not consider any repair and rework part, while the FTY is considered. But the formula is, both formula is same. Now the practical applications of this formula is here. A assembly line having three processes like lead crimping, link insertion and riveting. This is a three processes in assembly line. So the inputs parts is 7 4 times 3 is goes on lead crimping and link insertion as well riveting. After that riveting. Friends, in a lead crimping process 18 parts are defective, where the link insertion process 23rd part are defective. Here the in riveting process 39 parts get rejected, defective. Okay, now here we don't consider any repaired or reworked part, so 18 parts get scrapped and 23 parts get scrapped, 39 parts get scrapped. So overall output is here, if you getting minus in 7 4 times 3 minus 18, then we got 73315, and if you minus 23 in these input part, then we get this value, and if you minus in this input parts, then you get these values. So because here no any no any repaired and rework part is getting in considered, because we calculated first time FPY first pass yield. So what is calculation is going on in this three process, lead crimping, link insertion and riveting, is look here. So friends, we calculating what is FPY of each process like lead crimping, link insertion and riveting using these formula. So what is, friends, the output FPY is equals to for lead crimping is OK parts produced. So here link in lead crimping 73315 is going to OK, and input is 7 4 times 3. So friends, output is 7 in lead crimping process 73315 divided by input parts is 7 4 times 3. Here in link insertion output part is OK parts is 73310 divided by input, and here in riveting process output is OK part is 73294 divided by total input parts. So after calculation we got the value of these. So friends, after calculating of these values in a lead crimping, the value is comes out 0.99. Here also link insertion 0.99, and after riveting process it value is comes out 0.99. So what is a RTY? What is RTY? So the friends, RTY is rolled throughput yield. The process formula of these is FTY process 1, FTY process 2, FTY process 3. If n process is given, then multiply 100. If you calculating FPY, then what you, friends, if you want to convert FPY, then these values are same, except FTY you put FPY process 1, FPY process 2, and now the n process multiply 100%. So this is the RTY, formula of RTY. So here after getting the each process value 0.99, 0.99, 0.99, we put in this formula RTY roll throughput yield equals to the FPY first pass yield in lead crimping process multiply FPY in link insertion process multiply FPY in riveting process multiply 100%. So putting these values 0.99 in lead crimping process, 0.99 in link insertion process, and after calculation we got 97% of RTY in case of you calculating first pass yield. Okay, now friends, we calculating what is the first time yield FTY. Here in FTY we consider rework and repair part. Now friends, the second terms FTY first time yield is calculating here. The same process is given here, lead crimping, link insertion and riveting. The input goes in these three processes is 7 4 times 3 7 4 times 3. Now here the defective parts is 18 in lead crimping, defective parts getting in link insertion is 23, and in riveting 39 parts is getting defective. After repaired or rework in a lead crimping 7 parts is getting okay. In a link insertion 13 parts is getting okay after repaired or reworked, and in riveting 9 parts is getting okay. So only scrap part is what 11 part, because in 18 parts, out of 18 parts 7 part is okay of riveting. So 18 minus 7 is 11 equals to 11 part is only remaining. It will be totally defective, so it will be scrapped. Out of 23 13 part is getting okay, so 23 minus 13 it will be 10 part is only rejected here, scrapped here, and here 39 out of 39 9 part is getting okay, and the total remaining part is 30 part is scrapped. So friends, here the value is given here, output after rework. Output after rework, these values are used in FTY first time yield, and output before rework is used in FPY, because in FPY no any repaired or rework part is considered, while in FTY repaired or rework part is considered. So these values is useful for FTY calculation, and these values are useful for FPY calculation. So we looking here FTY calculation. So FTY calculation for lead crimping is okay part is 73322, and link insertion is okay part is 73323, and in riveting is okay part we getting 73303, and output is same 7 4 times 3 in each process, lead crimping, link insertion and riveting. So here friends, getting values in lead crimping okay part is 73322, because these values are putting okay part is putting here, and in link insertion 73323 is okay part. So 73323 is okay part. Input is in same in all three process, so 7 4 times 3 we calculating getting 0.99, and here also 0.99, because okay part is here and input is this. So after calculation we got the value is 0.99 in the lead crimping process, the value is in link insertion is 0.99, and in riveting is 0.99 is calculated. So you know RTY roll throughput yield is FTY in first process, FTY in second process multiply in n terms and multiply 100% if you want to calculate it in 100%. So the value is put in here 0.99 in link insertion process, link lead crimping process, 0.99 in link insertion process, and 0.99 in riveting process multiply 100%, we got 97%. So friends, here little bit different in FPY and FTY. Here no any rework or is rework is considered, but here rework is considered. So here FTY is 97% and here FTY is RTY is 97%. We getting FPY, and here RTY is also 97% getting. Friends, this formula is getting mind. RTY RTY is, if you calculating FTY, then you put in this value, and if you calculating FPY, then put in RTY this value. So here some mistake is going on. This is the RTY with respect to FTY, okay, and here RTY with respect to FPY. So 97% values is calculated. So I hope you pause these videos and see, understand each one process. How can your process is getting better with respect to quality as well as productions.